Venga, Marshall. Mira. Shh, Marshall, be careful. That's so cute. Here you go, Bella. Your precious puppies. There's like 7 puppies. Here's one. Now, Bella, let me see, Bella. Bella, let me see. She's really overprotective. So I got some. Kind of. See? Let me see, there's other puppies. Well, I got some puppies, but I know that there are 7 puppies, and look at them, they're so adorable. Okay. And this is Bella. She's unleashed. She doesn't have a leash. I mean, she does, but it's not tied to another place. But unless she is safe because she needed to run off to the puppies. That's why she can go to the restroom. Right, Bella? She is so tired right now. So, I hope you like and subscribe the video.